Alright guys, so before we jump into today's tutorial, go ahead and check out this platform out. If you want to actually cut costs on your Grok subscription or any other subscription, I'll drop a link in the video description down below. So with that being said, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to access and use Grok AI Z2U 3.1 and many other AI videos and image generators absolutely free without investing upfront. Now don't forget to go ahead and like this video, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. Alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, so the platform I'm going to be talking about in this video is called K.AI. K.AI is a platform where you can access the world's best video generations, image generations, music and LLM models in one API. Now to create an account, I'm going to drop the link to sign up in the video description or the pinned comment down below. You can simply go over to the website K.AI and it's going to land you straight here on this page. So to create an account, just go ahead, click on get started. It's going to take you here. Over here you can select either to sign up using your Google account or using your Microsoft account. So whichever one you are comfortable with, you can go ahead and create an account. For me personally, I have already created an account on this platform, so I'm just going to log into the platform and show you guys how to use this platform for free to generate AI videos and images. So once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it's going to take you. Now the great thing about this platform is that once you sign up, they are going to give you 80 credits as a welcome bonus. And every single day the platform give you, I think, around 5 credits or 6 credits or thereabouts to generate AI videos and images for free. Now at the end of this video, I'm also going to show you guys how you can literally do this unlimited and create AI videos and images completely free and unlimited. So to check your credits, all you need to do is to come over here and click on pricing, and once you click on pricing, it's going to take you here. Just go ahead, click on billing, and it's going to load up and take you here. So on this account I have created videos using my credits. So currently I have 51 credits remaining, and every day it actually refresh. So you can see the time is going to refresh right here, and new credit is going to be added to my credits balance here. Also, if you want to buy any of their credit packages, you can see them right here. So you can go ahead and buy depending on how much you want to buy. You can see here their $5 package give you 1,000 credits, $50 package give you 10,000 credits to generate videos and images. Now let's go ahead and create our video. Remember, once you sign up, this platform give you 80 credits as welcome bonus, and you can start creating with it. So all I'm going to do to start creating is to come over here where it says AI video, and over here you can see all the different AI video models here. You can see they have Clean Turbo, Clean 3 motion control, Clean 3.0. They have Sedans 2.5 here, Sedans 2.0, Sedans 1.5. They have View 3.1, Grok Imagine, 1 AI. And if I come over here and click on AI image right here, you can see they have all the top AI image generators, including Dream 5, GPT, Image 2, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, and the rest right here. So let's first of all start creating videos. So I'm going to hover my mouse here to AI video, and the first AI I'm going to use is Grok Imagine. So I'm going to click on it. Alright, so once I click on it, it's going to load up and take me here. You can generate videos using images. So you can see they have image to video. You can generate videos using text. As you can see here, text to video. You can also generate images here from text, image to image. You can as well extend video and upscale videos here. So in this video, we are going to be generating videos from prompts. So I'm going to click on text to video, and I'm going to scroll down here. This is where I'm going to paste in my prompts. Down here, this is where you can select the aspect ratio depending on the type of video you want to create, and you can select the mode here. You can also select the duration right here up to 30 seconds. You can select the resolution here up to 1080p. Then you go ahead and click on run here to generate your video. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompts right here. Then I'm going to scroll down here and select my aspect ratio. So I'm going to select 16:9 because I want to create a horizontal video for YouTube. I'm going to scroll down here and leave the duration to 6 seconds. And down here, I'm just going to go ahead and select 720p. And you can see I'm going to spend 27 credits to create this video. Now, if you don't want to waste your credits, you can actually select 480p, and you can see the credits consumed is going to reduce. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this prompt now to generate my video. So I'm going to just go ahead, click on run. Remember, we have 51 credits, so we are using part of it to generate our video. Now at the end, I want to show you guys how to get more credits, continue generating your videos almost unlimited. So right now the video is generating, as you can see right here on the screen. It's going to take for about 1 or 2 minutes for the video generation to complete. So let's go ahead and give the AI time to complete the video generation. Alright guys, so the video generation has been successful, as you can see it's right here. So all I'm going to do is to play the video here, and let's take a preview. So you can see how incredible the video actually came out. It actually follows exactly what I write in the prompt, and we generated this video absolutely free using Grok imaging without paying upfront. So to download, I'm just going to come over here, click on this arrow here, and you can see it's going to start downloading. You can see it right here at the top. Now if I go ahead and check my credits here by clicking on pricing, clicking on billing, you can see we now have 36 credits, right? And remember, this platform gives you credits every single day. So every single day you can log on to the platform and you have some credits to create images and create videos. Now let me go ahead and show you guys how you can actually create almost unlimited videos on this platform. Now this is how to do it. For example, you have up to 3 email address or 4 email address. You can go ahead and create an account on these platforms, and every single day you'll be able to get free credits and generate free videos. So the more Google accounts you have to create more accounts, the more credits you get. But just in case you don't want to jump from one Google account to the other, you can actually go ahead and buy any of their packages here to get AI credits. Their packages are quite cheap compared to other AI tools out there. So you can just go ahead and get any of their package and continue creating your videos without interruption. So thank you guys for watching so much. If you do appreciate this video, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. Also, don't forget to go ahead and check out this platform. You can literally get super Grok account and other AI tools and many other tools at a fraction of the original price. I'll leave the link in the video description down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.